In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to work a foundation slip stitch, which is one of the many foundation stitches. And these are great to begin projects because you can work the foundation chain along with the first row of stitches simultaneously, and they often tend to be stretchier than your regular chains. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so to begin, I'm going to start with a slip knot. And I'm just going to chain 2. Now, to work my first foundation slip stitch, I'm going to go into this first chain right here, and I'm going to yarn over, pull up a loop. So now there's 2 loops on my hook, and now I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2. So that's my first foundation slip stitch. Now, like with all the other foundation slip stitches, you're going to continue working into the bottom of the previous stitch. So this is the bottom of my first foundation slip stitch. So I'm going to insert my hook, making sure to go under 2 loops there. I'm going to yarn over, pull up a loop. I should have 2 loops on my hook now. And now I'm going to finish the slip stitch by yarning over, pulling through 2. Alright, let's do that one more time. I'm going to insert my hook into the bottom of this foundation slip stitch right here. I'm going to yarn over, pull up a loop, so that there's 2 loops on my hook, and now I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2. So now if we think about each step, essentially we're inserting our hook into the bottom of our previous stitch. I'm yarning over, pulling up a loop, and now I want to work, the bottom of my stitch. So to do that, I'm going to yarn over and pull through 1. This is the bottom of my foundation slip stitch. And now when you work a slip stitch, you usually just take the yarn that's on your hook and pull through your loop, right? So that's all we're doing. That's how you create the foundation slip stitch. You go into the previous stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 to create the bottom of your stitch, and you pull through the second one to finish off the slip stitch. So it's a very easy foundation stitch. I think it definitely helps to have loose tension for this one, but it works up really fast and makes a great base to any project. But yeah, I hope you found this video useful. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below. I'll try to get back to you as quickly as I can. Thanks so much for watching.